Cats are territorial animals and they will often fight to defend what they believe is their territory. This is most common with cat fights that happen outside the house, where your cat believes another cat has encroached on their land. Watching your cats fighting can be heartbreaking. While your first instinct might be to jump in and separate them, do be careful. Cats can be aggressive and you may get a lot of scratches for your effort. We suggest trying to gently separate them, as long as you are sure you are not in harm's way.